Hi everyone, it's Michael here. Today I want to give you the ultimate beginner's guide to cryptocurrency. We're going to cover everything you need to know, from what crypto really is to how it works and how to approach investing wisely. If you've ever felt lost trying to understand Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other digital currencies, this video is for you. Let's start at the very beginning. Cryptocurrency is digital money. But unlike the dollars in your wallet or the balance in your bank account, crypto is decentralized. That means there's no government, bank, or institution controlling it. This is made possible by blockchain technology, a digital ledger that securely records every single transaction. Think of it like a notebook that everyone can see but no one can erase. It's transparent, secure, and revolutionary. Now, why should you care about cryptocurrency? For some, it's about investment. People hope the value will increase over time. For others, it's about speed and efficiency, transferring money across the globe in minutes instead of days. And some value privacy. Unlike banks, crypto transactions don't require sharing personal information. But the most important thing I want you to understand is this. Crypto is a tool. How you use it determines whether it becomes a financial opportunity or a source of stress. Let's talk about the most popular cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, created in 2009 by the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto, was the first. Bitcoin is often called digital gold. Why? Because like gold, there is a limited supply. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. This scarcity gives it value. Over the past decade, Bitcoin has experienced massive price swings, from just a few cents to tens of thousands of dollars. This is both an opportunity and a risk, and it's essential to understand both sides. Ethereum is next. Ethereum is more than money, it's a platform. It introduced something called smart contracts. These are self-executing agreements that run automatically when conditions are met. Developers can create applications, games, or financial tools directly on Ethereum. This means Ethereum has the potential to revolutionize entire industries, not just money. When you start thinking about buying crypto, you'll need a few tools. Exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken allow you to buy, sell, and trade crypto, but having a wallet is essential. There are two main types: hot wallets, which are online and convenient, and cold wallets, which are offline and secure. I always recommend starting with a hot wallet to get used to the system. But as your investment grows, move your funds to a cold wallet to protect yourself from hacks. Security is something I can't stress enough. The crypto world is full of risks. Hackers, phishing scams, and fake coins are real threats. Always enable two-factor authentication, create strong passwords, and never share your private keys. Think of your private key as the key to a safe. If someone gets it, they have complete control over your money. Now let's talk about mining. Mining is how new coins are created and how transactions are verified. Bitcoin mining involves solving complex mathematical problems with powerful computers. Miners are rewarded with new Bitcoins, which also keeps the network secure. Some people even build mining rigs at home, though it requires technical knowledge and a lot of electricity. Mining is one of the ways cryptocurrency stays decentralized. It's also important to understand altcoins. Altcoins are all the cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin. Some, like Litecoin, are faster. Others, like Monero, focus on privacy. Then there are coins like Cardano or Solana that aim to build smart contract platforms like Ethereum. Each has its own purpose, strengths, and weaknesses. Researching these is essential. Not every coin is worth your time or your money. Another critical concept is decentralization. Unlike traditional banks, cryptocurrency networks aren't controlled by one institution. This can reduce censorship and increase transparency, but it also means there's no safety net. If you lose your wallet, there's no one to reverse it. Now let's talk about the real-life applications of cryptocurrency. Beyond investing, people use crypto for online purchases and remittances. Countries like El Salvador have even adopted Bitcoin as legal tender. This shows that crypto is no longer just an experiment. But I also need to warn you about volatility. Cryptocurrency prices can skyrocket one day and drop the next. This can be thrilling, but stressful. That's why it's crucial to never invest more than you can afford to lose. Treat crypto as part of a long-term strategy. I want to give you some practical tips for beginners. Start small. Buy only what you're comfortable losing. Diversify. Don't put all your money in one coin. Spread your risk. Stay informed. The crypto landscape changes quickly. Keep up with news, trends, and regulatory developments. Think long-term. Patience is one of the most powerful tools in investing. Don't panic over daily price swings. Avoid hype. Social media can create FOMO, or fear of missing out. Don't let it drive your decisions. I also want to touch on regulation. Governments are increasingly paying attention to cryptocurrency. This is something to watch closely. Finally, let's discuss mindset. Cryptocurrency is not just about money. It's about learning a new way of thinking about finance. It's about understanding technology, economics, and human behavior. The more you educate yourself, the better your decisions will be. So that's my complete guide to cryptocurrency for beginners. I hope you now understand what crypto is and how to invest safely. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss future tips from me, Michael. I'll continue breaking down complex financial topics. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.